Okay, so time to check the numbers. And this is something that you should be doing daily. So in your business, it's your bank balance. And in your life, it's your bank balance. And also the scales. So something that on every single morning you should be doing is just taking a look at, where you are and if you're going forward or backwards. And there's a lot of people who bury their head in the sand around these two areas. One, if you feel like you're not at your ideal weight and you're maybe, a bit ashamed of why you're there, which is absolutely fine. Listen, we all get to where we get to, but we can all change from this moment forward. We can always improve. We can never obviously change what we've done, but we can always be better going forward. So, if you're, I see it all the time when people come on board with myself on the consultancy, and they're so downbeat about themselves and what they've done in the past or what they haven't achieved and they think they should have achieved. And, it's absolutely fine. It's fine. As long as from today forward, we make it better, and that's why we want to check into the bank balance and check into the scale. So if you've been avoiding your bank accounts, there's probably a reason for it. I love going into my bank now. I want to know how much money's coming in there. I want to know if we're going forward. I want to know if I need to do something about it, and same on the scales, I've actually I'm the other way. I've always suffered from being probably too light as opposed to, too heavy. And for me, if I don't go to the gym, that starts to play on my mind, and I want to make sure that my muscle mass is there. So I've actually got a bit of a fancy scale that, actually gives me all my metrics, my body metrics. And that serves me well. So check your money, check your weight, and that should give you two good signs. Remember, life is pretty much about business, health, your kids, and your partner. Those four areas in life, if you connect them all together and you've got them working on point, you're going to live a very happy life. So checking these two elements and making sure these two core KPIs are measured and we react on the measurements, it will keep you focused, it will keep you motivated, and it will help you drive your results that you so desperately desire right now.